Hello. So what we are talking about today is rhinoplasty, or also called as nose job in layman language. Many people, males, females, come to me for nose job. They may have their different problems. Some may have difficulty in breathing because they have a deviated nose. Some may want just an aesthetic improvement because they have a wide nose, broad base of the nose, or broad alar flare, or maybe just a broad tip. So with rhinoplasty or a nose job, you can correct all these issues. Now how it is done is, we give an incision at the base of the nose, inside, and just at the columella or at the base hair. We open the nose, skin cover like cover of a book, and then correct all the deformities what an individual needs. And after this, we close the cover of the book, and the sutures inside which are used are absorbable. After the surgery, you will have a splint or a plaster on the nose which is there for first 7 days. Maybe if it is a simpler procedure, maybe for 5 days. And then your splints and sutures are removed. When you see the result after 7 days, it is reasonably dramatic result, and most of our patients experience a very kind of happiness, satisfaction after the surgery once they see the results. I tell my patients that this result after 7 days which you see, which in fact will further improve over the next few months as the swelling and inflammation subside further. Other than this, before rhinoplasty, any person should be knowing this, that they have to avoid any smoking before surgery. If they have any cough or cold during that time, avoid the surgery. Your nasal airway paths should be clean. You should not have any infection before you plan your surgery of nose. Many people are also worried that after rhinoplasty whether they can work or go to the office and all. So I tell them, after the surgery you will have some swelling which will be covered by the splint of the nose. You are physically totally active. You can do whatever you want to do from the next day. There is no physical limitation. But since you have a plaster and a splint on the nose, you are socially restricted or inhibited. So you can imagine it is difficult to go to your office or work or party with a splint on the nose, right? So other than that, you have physically no limitations. You can work from home, work on TV, laptop, desktop, whatever. There is no kind of physical limitations. And this is also true only for 7 days. After 7 days when the splint is off and you get your beautiful nose, you are off and open to the world.